The largest expo on animal rearing and dairy processing is all set to happen in Hyderabad. The annual dairy show will be held at Hitex from 1st to 3rd. Organized by Active Exhibitions and Conferences, the dairy show is a combination of trade show, conference and live animal display, said PSNL Rao, the brain behind the prestigious event. In an exclusive interview, Rao said that as many as 40,000 visitors are expected for the event, which will have nearly 150 exhibitors from across the dairy industry.
Exhibition stalls would be about 100 stalls in one hall, about 1500 square meters. But there will be big stalls and there will be small stalls. But all the stalls will be there, right from fodder like seeds and from seeds to the all the animal axation, medicines, and then nutrition. And then after the actually basically it is two sides of exhibition. One is the farming, all equipments, technology, services, seeds, and all pertaining to the farming. The other aspect is the processing. Processing like milk packaging and then making byproducts from milk like curd, ice creams, and all. So basically, there were two sets of items are available in the exhibition. One is on the dairy farming, other one is on the dairy processing. Sir, our dairy show main focus right from the beginning is we wanted to encourage the upcoming dairy entrepreneurs through the show. There is a conference, one-day conference on dairy. Basically, the conference starts about the selection of animals, what kind of animals to be selected, what are the commercial animals, what is the regular traditional animals, and then what is the how to take care of the animal health, like nutrition, what kind of nutrition to be given, how to take care of animal. Then we talk about the fodder suggestions. What kind of fodder to be given, how much green fodder and how much the nutrition, dry fodder, and with what kind of mix, how they get the more milk yield. That is the key actually. So we focus more on increasing the milk yield. And last session we'll only share the best practices. We invite 5-6 best dairy farmers from different places. They all share their experiences with the existing and upcoming new dairy farmers. So basically the entire show is to help the dairy community. First, second, third, sir. First, all 3 days exhibition is on from 10 to 7 p.m. This exhibition is mainly for the dairy farmers. So all the communications will work towards that. So what we are doing is we are working closely with the animal husbandry department. Animal husbandry department has joint directors in every district. So we send a lot of printed materials to them. So they send this communication about the dairy show to the farmers in all the district, and most of them, they also arrange buses through Atma funds and they send farmers to the dairy show. Here farmers can see all the animals and they can talk to the animal suppliers and the fodder solutions like Advanta and a lot of fodder companies are there. They talk to the companies which seeds are better for them. Similarly, they talk to the animal vaccines. There will be a lot of animal vaccine companies will be there, like Joitas, Vet India, Vet Farm. There are a lot of companies. So they talk to them. Then they talk about the nutrition, dry nutrition. Again, there will be so many companies. This year, practically, this new technology has come up. It's called a hydroponic fodder. The fodder can be made in a machine. It looks like a railway compartment with a lot of mechanism inside. There are a lot of trays. They have to pour the seeds and water. In 7 days, you will get a gross 6 to 8 inches gross. So it will come in a form of bale. It was very successful in Israel and other companies. Even Sharjah, there is the largest dairy available in Sharjah, where earlier people think that Sharjah is a dry and nothing can be done. But now the world largest dairy is in Sharjah. And they are mostly dependent on this kind of technology. So 2 companies are taking part and they are exhibiting their machines, how exactly they work and how they get the gross. So it's a learning experience for the farmers and the new technology this time. So it is actually basically 3-day exhibition, sir. So what is doing is like we have processing companies also like Muscati and then Vijaya, Dodla and then Jersey. They have the stalls. Basically their stalls is to promote their product, showcase their entire products is one, and secondly they will also interact with the farmers and they tell us where they have the collection center and where they can sell milk to them. So it's an exchange of information with the farmers of all these processing companies. And other all exhibitors, the other exhibitors, like we have a lot of processing equipments like milk packaging. Somebody wants to start a mini processing unit, all the suppliers are available. There will be about 20 stalls, all pertaining to the processing, milking, ice cream machine making, and then buttermilk. All the companies are there, so the farmers can interact with them. What will be the cost and how it works, all the clarification they will get. The other kind of stalls is the dry nutrition and the fodder solutions and animal vaccines. A lot of companies will be there. What kind of action to be given to prevent a lot of other diseases. Everyone is important, sir. We have for the dairy exhibition. In fact, a lot of people are approaching us, like general commodity sellers and some jewelry and all, but we don't encourage them. It's surely a dairy show. We are doing it for a cause, not for money, so we don't entertain anyone. It's purely a dairy stall. Every stall for the farmer is important, like a fodder cutting machine and animal tag suppliers. So every stall we have is an important for the farmer. We have about 100 stalls, but all related to the dairy. Other than dairy is nothing else. But we have to, of course, we should thank Hitex also. Otherwise, we have to pay about 25 lakhs, but they give us a subsidy. But yet, we have to spend a lot of money, carpeting, and then we have to make the fabrication, arranging powder. I need a lot of people to clean the cow dung and urines. It's a very expensive exhibition. In fact, last 2 years we spent money in our pocket, but we are doing it for a cause. And this kind of exhibition, after 4th or 5th shows, you'll really get international exposure and show will grow. At that time, we will also be happy.